guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, what we'll be doing, we'll show you guys if you replace your crankshaft position sensor on your car guys and all it suddenly doesn't want to start or it doesn't run like it's supposed to. So stay with us guys and we'll show you guys what we'll be doing today. Now we have that engine out of a Mazda car, but nowadays many vehicles will use that design guys. You replace your crankshaft position sensor, the car doesn't start or it doesn't run right. Why? Because there are a few things that you need to do right, otherwise you can guys severely even damage your engine. Why? Because the crankshaft position sensor tells the computer when to throw the spark, when to give spark and all that stuff, and if you mess it up and you run it for a long time, okay, you can cause some damage to valves, pistons, rings, quite a bit of trouble guys. Catalytic converter as well. So in other case it won't even start. This is guys the crankshaft position pulley, crankshaft position sensor. This is the crankshaft pulley known as harmonic balancer. Often that sensor will be on the crankshaft pulley guys. And people, okay, what they're going to do, they'll just go ahead, okay, and they will replace that sensor. Okay, they'll just go ahead and replace that sensor and put a new one, and they think they're ready. You have to stay with us until the very end because I'll share two methods guys that you need to confirm that everything's fine. So they'll go ahead, let's say removed it, put the new one, get it tight, right? But there is one catch, okay? Sometimes you will be able to get it tight at different positions. You can see the plate that you have in the bolts. So how you guys adjust that? Some people you'll be able to adjust the sensor, other ones you will have to align, okay, the crankshaft pulley with the sensor position. There is a special tool for that as well. But if you have a sensor that moves up and down, okay, like that, this could be the reason. If not, stay with us until the end, we'll share the other reason. So now guys, what do we need to do? Okay, let me show you now. Okay, on the back side of the engine, okay, right there is one 10mm usually, okay, bolt. It could be different size. This is a bolt for the top dead center. Okay, Mazda, Ford, they like to use that quite a bit. So now right here guys, okay, we'll need to go ahead and remove that bolt. We'll need to use a special timing tool, okay, like this one here. And with that timing tool guys, okay, we're going to get it in, okay, and get it tight by hand at first until it stops going. Okay, once we get it tight a little bit, we're going to use the wrench. Don't over tighten those because they're aluminum and you don't want to break them. Perfect. Now we're going to go ahead and turn the crankshaft guys, okay, the crankshaft pulley. We're going to turn it until it stops turning, and it's going to contact, okay, the crankshaft on the inside will contact that pin and it will stop turning at top dead center, known as TDC guys. So listen now. Okay, that's it, I cannot go more. Now it will be specific thing for your car guys, but in our case, okay, at TDC, okay, you can see how we have different teeth on the crankshaft pulley, and right here guys now, okay, we have a few that are missing. And if you come to the crankshaft position sensor, here in the middle you have a line, that middle in the center here. So that line guys, okay, will need to be aligned with the 20th tooth starting from the first one in the empty space here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 6 here, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, tooth number 20. So now we need to position the sensor and we need to bring it up, okay, with the center of tooth number 20 guys. Okay, right here. This one will be the position for that. And we'll just go ahead and get it tight once everything's positioned. Okay, now it's important guys, once you do that, okay, we'll need to go ahead and remove the sensor, okay, the TDC, okay, the TDC pin on the back side of the engine. So with a 16mm in our case, just get this one loose. It's very important to remove that. Why? Because if you leave it on there guys, okay, what's going to happen, okay, actually as a result guys, you forget it, you turn your starter on to start your car, and what will happen you can cause damage to the crankshaft. You will bend that thing, you won't be able to get it out, you can break the block. It could be a very expensive repair, guys, almost ending up needing a new engine. And just get this one tight now. Don't forget to connect your wire, okay? So this will be one of the reasons. Another one, sometimes after crankshaft position replacement, guys, crankshaft position sensor replacement, you will need to use a computer, okay? And usually we use this one here, guys. You can find it listed in the description of the video below. And you may need to relearn the sensor and calibrate it with the computer. Not very often, but sometimes it needs to be done. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos and see you guys next time.